Hi, I'm Jamie Monday, and today I wanted to show you how I make my homemade body lotion. So I do this probably every 3 to 6 months. It really doesn't take long, and it's super healthy for you. There's no toxins, no chemicals, and just really great for your skin. So I start off by melting organic virgin coconut oil, and I did 1 cup of this, just got that at Costco. And then I also melted half a cup of mango butter. Actually, usually I use shea butter, but this time I'm gonna try mango butter and see how I like it. The one that I ordered came in like a block, so I just estimated and did about a half a cup and melted that down with the coconut oil and mixed those together. I got the mango butter on Amazon, and after I melted it on the stovetop, I put it in a container, and it was liquid form, like your fractionated coconut oil. That's what it's going to boil down to. You don't need to boil it, you just need to melt it. But when it gets to a liquid form, transfer it to a container that you could use it to mix when you're complete. And I put this in the fridge for about an hour because you do want it to solidify a little bit, but not completely. So right now I'm just going to use my hand blender, and we're going to basically just fluff it up. This is going to help it get to a really good, like, fluffy consistency. And then after we do that, then we'll start adding, I'm going to add the essential oils. Today I'm going to use frankincense, lavender, and grapefruit. Those are all very good for your skin. I'm going to show you so you can see. I'm going to do this for a little bit longer because it is getting very fluffy. So it was almost solid, but now you can see that it's almost like just a fluffy, normal lotion that you would buy. So I'm going to do it for just a little bit longer, just so I can get it to the consistency that I would like. Okay, now I'm going to add 10 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is an amazing essential oil. Today I'm only using Young Living. It's a personal brand that I prefer and that I trust with my whole family. I know that it's 100% therapeutic grade essential oil, and there's no additives, no fillers. And so frankincense is really good for those fine lines. And lavender is just great for skin, anything. Sometimes I do get some dry patches, and that could be really helpful. The lavender can be really helpful for that. And I use this all over my body. I use this as like a body lotion. And then last but not least is the grapefruit. So I'm doing 10 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of lavender, and 10 drops of grapefruit. And grapefruit essential oil is a citrus oil, so you do want to be careful in the sun because it is sensitive on your skin, and so you can get a sunburn. And I have experienced that before when I was not paying attention, and so you do want to be careful of that in the summertime. But grapefruit is really wonderful for cellulite. I'm just gonna say it. And so I love it on the back of my legs, a little bit of my arms, my stomach, you know, all those mom parts that have changed with time and babies. But it can be really good for that. So I love grapefruit. And last but not least, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil. And that is just very good for your skin. Again, all the good stuff. So when this goes on, it will feel a little bit greasy, but to be honest, your skin is just gonna soak it all in, and it's gonna be so just good for you. So don't be alarmed by that. Your skin will absorb it. Just takes a little bit of time. So obviously I use this when I get out of the shower, and then I do my hair and makeup, and then by the time I get dressed, I can easily put my clothes on and not worry about them getting greasy or anything like that. So now I'm mixing all of those together, just fluffing it up again, making sure that it's a really nice consistency. And so listen, this is only taking me 5 minutes. It took me about 2 minutes maybe to melt it and boil it on the stovetop. I did put it in for an hour, but I'm getting ready for a garage sale, so I've been working in the garage for that. So I got some other things done while it hardened. And now I have this container. I found this at Dollar Tree. It's just a glass container. I used it before. That's why it's got some white in it still. I just put a nice little label on top, and I'm just going to use a nice spatula and put it all inside, and then I can use it whenever I need to get out of the shower and get some lotion on. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask. But it's super easy to, make the transition from, over-the-counter, store-bought type lotions to homemade, really healthy, non-toxic stuff that's good for you and the rest of your family. So have a great day.